Hi, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Christian Angelo Mejia, a freelancer in digital uh, drawing, and a colleague of mine and a friend of mine, of course. Her name is. Would you like to introduce yourself?
I am Princess ICC Paulino.
Hi, Easy. So, good evening. So, I have here comment questions for a video interview. So, let me ask a background check muna. So, what hobbies do you do? For example,
Now, can you repeat the question? It was not audible.
and by yourself. What type of hobbies do you do, like in your leisure time?
Well, my hobbies are painting, drawing, and pretty much reading books.
So,
Yeah.
do you have kind of business or like um entrepreneurship in yeah in those kind of things?
Yes.
So, do you make money off them from those kind of yeah entrepreneurship or making business, small profit? So, is it
Yes.
okay to ask you something like common questions as an entrepreneur?
Okay.
So,
Mhm.
what's inspired you to become an entrepreneur?
Well, what inspired me the most is my hobby kasi I have a talent that I can show to people or like the whole, let's just say the whole universe. So I want to show my talent and at the same time I want to earn from that. So I use my talent as a business.
That's very good. So, when did you start your business? Ako nag-start ako I think around 2019, pandemic at sa akin. So, how about you?
Well, I started around 2022 or 2021.
Hmm.
Yeah. During pandemic din.
So, what kind of uh products do you sell during that time? Are you still selling your products until now?
Yes, I still accept commissions naman if ever my time is free. And the products that I sell are mostly paintings na oil paint and then yung mga glass paint of anime kasi 'di ba it was nag-uso kasi yun during pandemic. So I I used to do those and it popped off. I sell those noon nung sa Shopee, sa Instagram. So yeah.
So, if it's okay to ask, how much money did you need to start? Of course, mayroon kang mga ano,
Well,
uh,
yes. So, pretty much art materials kasi is very expensive. Pero I still have the art materials that I used to have since grade 7. So, pero estimating it, starting nung 2021 is I spent halos 2 to 5K, somewhere there. Kasi the art materials are very expensive. Yeah.
so if it's not related to the common question, but what type of ano brand do you use when making your products? First, what type of ano?
I use products that have that that has a good quality. Of course, we want our products to in a good we want our products also to be a good quality na lahat ng tao ay bibili. So I buy products that have good quality, and at the same time, hindi naman sa super affordable, pero sapat lang sa price. Kasi I don't want to buy products na very expensive, ngayon poor performance staging materials. So, mas stick ako sa better quality na product, na materials.
So as for our last two questions, why did you choose this business, this kind of business, like small business, diba?
Like I said kanina, I choose this business kasi I have the talent. And this talent is pretty much what I love. And I use this talent to make money na din. Kasi um, I also want to earn, you know? So that's pretty much it.
You want to earn something from your talent just to, is it magdadagdag ka ng allowance mo or from your commissions, or do you
Something
keep it?
like that. But like, kasi other than that is gusto ko pera ng sarili ko.
Mm.
So I want to buy things din na gusto ko. So I use the money from my commissions to buy the things that I also want. And at the same time, put a money aside.
So as for our last question, what strategies help make your business successful?
Good communication. Kasi when when a, a person wants something else, like magpapa-commission sila sa akin, I really need to get more details and really get to know what the customer wants. Kasi if there's a misunderstanding between the two of us, it's either ako yung mali and then yung products ko is hindi pala nila gusto, edi sayang din naman yung products or like the materials that I've used, and also as well as my time. So good communication talaga yung is the key to success, or is the strategy that I always used.
So as you said na communication. So is there any case na parang uh, hindi kayo nagkaintindihan ng client?
Well, yes, there was this time noong pandemic, and the client or like the customer wanted a it was a commission of his like ipipaint ko yung group nila, and magpa-additional na person yung like yung painting. So I had a pretty much hard time noon na i-insert yung pinapa-addition nilang tao sa mismong group photo, because at that time I didn't know yet the other techniques in painting or like drawing. So medyo it wasn't that good. And yung gusto pala ng client also was that there is no face. Walang face. Yung sa akin kasi, I love doing portraits. So, hindi ko talaga matatanggal yung ko na lagyan ng mukha yung mga paintings. So, yun.
But did your client pay you? I mean, like, there are some cases din naman na yung mga client, hindi sila nagbabayad sa kanilang, uh, ano, sa commission nila, then they tend to run away and not pay their, do you have do you have
Well,
any kind of cases? Did that client pay you?
that, that client kasi, nung nabigay ko na siya, she was shocked actually. Tapos, she was naman siya, like voluntary rin lang naman siya nag-pay. Pero kasi um, yung loobin ko na parang I did I'm not also confident about the painting, and I can see her reaction on na she was kind of disappointed. So I insisted na lang to give a discount, but she insisted to pay.
Uh, Considerable. So, is your business doing well right now?
Well, yes, it's doing well naman.
Uh, you still accept commissions? You still do your, your leisure time, do your painting, something like that.
Um, I still accept commissions. I recently just accepted one noong Christmas break because wala masyadong ginagawa. But when times like departmental tests or like very short time kasi humahabol yung academics ko, I usually decline commissions.
So you balance your free time and also your work or like your freelancing and yeah, your school.
Yeah.
So that's very good of you. So thank you. That's all. Thank you so much, Easy, for have a little chat and interview with our discussion today.
Yes.
So good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Thank you, Z. Goodbye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.